So in the question number 76, we have to look for the correct match. Now Saccharomyces cerevisiae, yes, that's yeast. You know that the yeast, it is involved in the production of ethanol. So A goes with option number 3, right? Yes, Monascus purpureus, again this is a unicellular fungi. Yes, Monascus purpureus, it is responsible for the production of blood cholesterol lowering agents. Yes, that is statins. Fine. Now Trichoderma. Yes, Trichoderma polysporum, this is a fungi. Yes, it results in the production of compounds like cyclosporin, and the cyclosporins, they have immunosuppressive activities. Yes, the C goes with 1. Now Propionibacterium sharmani, this is involved in the formation of Swiss cheese. Yes, it is used for the production of Swiss cheese. You know what is the Swiss cheese? It is the one which has large size holes. So we can look for the right option here. The option is option number 2. So answer is 2 for the question number 76. So now let's move on to the question number 77. Now question number 77, arrange the following events of meiosis in correct sequence. Now all the events which have been mentioned here, these events, they are the part of the meiosis 1, and that is the prophase 1. So M1 meiosis 1, and in the meiosis 1, these are the part of the prophase 1. You know that the prophase 1 is the longest phase of the meiosis. It is divided into the substages like lactotein, zygotein, packitine, diplotein, and dikinases. Right? So now if we look into these events, now the synapsis is pairing of homologous chromosome due to the formation of the synaptonymal complex. Yes, this pairing occur during zygotein stage. So I may write Z here for this, zygotein, right? Now after the pairing of the homologous chromosome, now the exchange of segments between the non-sister chromatids of the homologous chromosomes occur, and you know what you call this process as crossing over. This occur during packitine stage, right? So first one is this, second one is this. Now after the crossing over, now the synaptonymal complex, yes, which was joining the two homologous chromosome, now it starts undergoing dissolution, right? So when it starts undergoing dissolution, the homologous chromosome, they start repelling from each other, yes. Earlier they were synapsed, the homologous chromosome. Now they start repelling from each other, but there are still points at which the chromosome remains attached. The points where they remain attached, what do you call them as? Chiasmata. Fine. Chiasmata, actually they are the points where the crossover has occurred, crossing over has occurred. Now the chiasmatas, they shift towards the ends of the chromosome. The shifting of the chiasmata towards the ends of the chromosome, what do you call it as? Terminalization. This one starts off in the diplotein stage. So this is the third one, third event. Now in the dikinases, what will happen? There is disappearance of nucleolus. Yes, this occurs at the end of the prophase 1. So what would be the sequence? Sequence is B, A, C, D. So we have to look for the right option. This one is the right option. So the answer is option number 3. So now let's move on to the next question.